Hey, so today what I thought I would do is give you a tour of my studio. I've made some recent changes and some additions to it, so I want to show you those. And I also want to get some feedback from you who watch this channel, see what kind of videos you want me to make going forward. We're in a new year, it's 2025, so I thought we could do that. All right, let's jump in. So if you don't know me, my name is Eric Miller and I help guitar players with music production. And I've been making music for over 30 years. I went to the Berklee School of Music, and ever since then I have been producing music, recording music, teaching music, and basically everything music. I started playing guitar at the age of 13 and really never looked back since then. And I wanted to give you a tour of my studio today. And I want to first give you some background information on it. We've been in here since 2009, so this is actually my second studio I built. But yeah, so we've been here for 16 years since 2009, so quite a long time. And it's an addition off the side of my home, so people can come here directly and they don't have to walk through my house. There's a separate entrance, so it really works out great. We're zoned through the town, so it works really out well for that. And it's really served me quite well. And I've really used the studio for three different purposes. The first is for teaching. So I teach music here. I teach guitar and piano, drums, and we also do songwriting and music production. So I do all of that. We also have several different teachers that teach in the other room, which I'll show you in a bit when we do the studio tour. So it's really served me quite well for that, for teaching. I also use it for recording. So in the past, I've done voiceovers, I've done recording bands. I also record my own music here, whether it's me or my band's True North Rising. So we do a lot of recording here, and it works for that purpose as well. And the third thing we do is YouTube videos. So I shoot all of my YouTube videos right from this studio. So it's kind of a bit of a multi-purpose studio, and it works out great. Recently, we did some work here in the studio. Here's a couple pictures of that. Basically, I've repainted the walls. I got a new desk, new interface, and basically reorganized my workflow. I'm a big believer in minimalism. So I don't like a lot of clutter, a lot of extra gear that you don't need. I really like to only have the things essential for ease of making music and creativity. Okay, so let me show you the studio tour. Okay, so come on in. This is our studio. Here's our sign when you first walk in. And over here we have a waiting area for people to wait. Coming into the first room, this is our recording room / piano room. So we do a lot of recording sessions in here as well as hold classes. This room is totally soundproofed, so well, almost soundproof, so all the walls have soundproofing material in them. You can see a little window to the outside. Over here is our storage area, so I have extra lighting over here and just supplies where I store those. Coming into the hallway, kind of walking down into the second entrance. So this is our main room. You can see here. And over here is a new desk that I recently got for the studio. It's actually a standing desk, so it works really well for adjusting the height if you want to. Over here is my Mac Mini and the Quantum 2626 interface, which I really like actually. My mic for recording. Another Miller Music sign. Here's some of my guitars. Here is the PRS Silver Sky. This guitar actually someone just gave to me. Really, really nice gift. This is a Takamine 12 string, so I'm psyched to try that. Here's my Taylor, a ukulele. Down here is my Telly, my thin line Telly with my Blues Junior amp. And then over here is our PA system we use for rehearsing. Down here are some of my pedals you can see. I recently put up new shades, so these really work good for blocking out sound and light, so they're better for making videos too. Here's some albums I've done. And then here's some sound reflective material put on the walls. There's my Telecaster with humbuckers on it. Here is our drum set. I have these cool cymbals that we use for rehearsing too. So these have holes in them, so they're like half as loud as normal cymbals. Of course, we don't record with them, but and then here is our trusty Squier bass. More sound material there. And then over here on the wall, there's more albums. My band True North Rising. I recently got this Yamaha keyboard, works really well. And then over here is some extra storage I have for like microphones, cables, just anything I can put into boxes to make it a little bit more tidy. And then lastly, this is a cool painting someone made for me, one of my students. It's got the word music in all different languages on it. So that was a really cool gift. So there you have it. That is the Miller Music Studio. Hope you enjoy it. So I also want to give you a quick background on this YouTube channel. I started it way back in 2010. So we're at 15 years old, and I made my first video. I think it's a studio tour or a demo, something like that, way back then. So you can go and check that out if you want. And then I really didn't do anything. I posted a couple videos, but then really haven't done anything since 2021. That's really when I started getting a little bit more consistent with video making. So really the past 3 years. And I've been doing videos, mainly for guitar players around songwriting, recording, music production, home studio setup. I do a lot of stuff on Studio One, and I've also been able to make courses. So I have 3 different courses right now. Music Production 101. That's my basic entry-level course on how to get started with home recording, how to record your first song. I have another course called Studio One Simplified, which is basically a course all about how to use Studio One. So it's kind of a complete course on how to use Studio One. And then I also have a music production club. So it's called the Miller Music Club, where we have songwriters, composers, producers, and guitar players. We all get together. We meet monthly in different online meetings, and we just exchange different ideas and collaborate. It's a really cool place. So I'll leave a link in case you're interested in any of those courses below. So lastly, I want to find out from you what kind of videos you'd like me to make going forward into the new year. Maybe it's more music production videos, more Studio One tutorials. Maybe it's more guitar gear, more stuff on guitar, even playing guitar, or music theory. I did a few videos on music theory, if that's something you're interested. We could also do more songwriting videos. So there's a lot of options, but I really want to find out from you what would be most interesting to you, what would be most helpful for you. It's really my goal to serve you and to really make the best content I can. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.